We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle, blue, plastic, 30-ounce. If you own this bottle, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle is designed as a customizable hydration platform, allowing users to add water, insert a GX formula pod, and fuel up wherever they go. This bottle is crafted from durable plastic, holds up to 30 fluid ounces, and features a distinctive blue color. The bottle is intended for adults, but its usability and appeal extend to younger athletes, students, and anyone in need of reliable hydration on the go. The bottle's contour silhouette and gator skin exterior are engineered for maximum control and superior grip, ensuring it remains comfortable to hold during intense activities or daily routines. The customizable ID ring allows users to personalize their bottle, making it easy to distinguish among teammates or family members. The GX Squeeze Bottle is compatible with GX formula pods, but it functions equally well as a standard water bottle, providing flexibility for those who prefer plain water or their own hydration mixes. Durability is a standout feature, with many users reporting that the bottle withstands daily use, drops, and the rigors of school, sports, and travel. Parents have noted that their children use the bottle for football, soccer, and other activities, and it has held up admirably over time. The bottle is also praised for its ease of cleaning. While it is technically dishwasher safe, some users prefer hand washing to preserve the glossy finish and ensure longevity. The wide mouth and simple construction make it easy to reach all areas during cleaning, reducing the risk of mold or lingering odors. Performance is another area where the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle excels. The squeeze action is smooth and responsive, delivering a strong stream of water or hydration mix with minimal effort. This feature is especially popular among athletes who need quick hydration during games or practice. The lid is designed to keep liquids contained when not in use, and the bottle's overall construction prevents accidental spills when handled upright. The bottle's popularity among students and athletes is evident, with reports of children drinking more water simply because they enjoy using the bottle. The graphics and overall aesthetic appeal to a younger demographic, and the bottle's size is ideal for those who need to stay hydrated throughout the day without frequent refills. However, no product is without its drawbacks. One of the most commonly reported issues is occasional leaking, particularly when the bottle is placed on its side. Some users have found that adjusting the stopper resolves the issue, while others report persistent leaks even when the clip is properly fastened. The clip on the side of the lid, intended to secure the bottle, can sometimes be a weak point. In a few cases, the latch comes off or fails to close tightly, leading to minor leaks. While these issues are not universal, they are worth considering if you plan to carry the bottle in a bag or store it horizontally. Customer service experiences have been mixed. Some users report quick and easy exchanges for defective bottles, while others have encountered challenges when seeking replacements, especially if the bottle was purchased on sale. The need to return and repurchase at full price has left some customers dissatisfied, highlighting a potential area for improvement in the support process. Despite these concerns, the overall consensus is that the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle is a durable, functional, and attractive hydration solution. Its large capacity means fewer refills during the day, and the squeeze mechanism encourages regular hydration, especially among children and teens. The bottle's design makes it easy to operate, even for younger users, and the grip ensures it stays secure in sweaty hands or during fast-paced activities. The bottle is also versatile, functioning well with or without GX pods, and its sturdy construction means it can handle the demands of daily use. The Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle is especially well suited for athletes, students, and anyone with an active lifestyle. Its combination of durability, ease of use, and customizable features make it a standout choice in the crowded water bottle market. The bottle's popularity in schools and sports teams is a testament to its appeal, and many users report purchasing multiple bottles for family members. The ability to personalize the bottle with an ID ring adds a layer of convenience and helps prevent mix-ups in group settings. In summary, the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and practicality. Its strengths include a comfortable grip, robust construction, large capacity, and ease of cleaning. The squeeze action is a favorite among users, and the bottle's design encourages frequent hydration. While some users have experienced issues with leaking and the lid clip, these problems are generally manageable and do not detract significantly from the bottle's overall value. Customer support experiences vary, so it may be wise to purchase from a retailer with a straightforward exchange policy. The bottle's compatibility with GX formula pods is a bonus for those who use them, but it remains an excellent water bottle even without the pods. If you are looking for a reliable, attractive, and functional water bottle for sports, school, or daily use, the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle is a strong contender. Its popularity among athletes and students speaks to its effectiveness, and its customizable features make it a practical choice for families and teams. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. If you have experience with this bottle, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable in creating a community of informed consumers. Overall, the Gatorade Gx Squeeze Bottle stands out as a durable, user-friendly, and versatile hydration solution that meets the needs of a wide range of users. Its combination of form and function makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to stay hydrated throughout the day.